In the final trade of the day, FedEx brought a shock to the stock market with its warning signs of an economic slowdown. A pro trader tells us now what he thinks is the better buy. Will it be FedEx or UPS?
This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy. And man, what a week it was last week, from CPI on Tuesday to then end of the week with the FedEx announcement about pulling all guidance, looking at issues coming forward, and seeing that stock drop over 20% on Friday. So the question is that just the tip of the iceberg? Are we going to now start seeing other companies like FedEx start to remove guidance or lower guidance based on what is happening with inflation, supply chain, prices all across the board? And certainly one other stock, same sector, UPS. So UPS kind of in concert with FedEx, that dropped 5% last Friday. If you were going to look at those two, which one would you rather be long going into the future? And true, with this big drop, FedEx now has a lower PE ratio than UPS does. But I think at this point, if I were to be long one of the two, I'd rather be long UPS, because if what happened to FedEx, if this announcement is endemic to the entire marketplace, everything is going to start going down. But if it's just a FedEx issue and not the rest of the marketplace, then UPS is going to have a much, much brighter upside than FedEx is, at least in the near term. And again, speaking of the entire marketplace, is this an endemic situation? Are we going to start seeing this? And nobody quite really knows. You've got people saying, yes, this is the tip of the iceberg. No, it's FedEx related. So what this all means is continued volatility, especially this week coming up with the Fed announcement. And even beyond that, all of a sudden, right around the corner, we're going to now have earnings season coming up again. So volatility is still here, folks. Good time to be trading. FedEx really took it on the chin. Compared to UPS, I'd rather be long UPS. Scott Bauer, Prosper Trading Academy.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.